Maadjong adlaw Bohol, magandang araw Luzon, a beautiful morning all around the world. Good day to everyone mga kalubis, mga kabe. Well, today magluluto tayo ng best Pinoy recipe which is lumpiang Shanghai. At favorite rin ito ng ating mga kababayan na Pinoy Chinese. So now, since kahapon nag-grocery kami, nakabili ako ng lean meat na ground pork. Pinakamainam para sa paggawa ng lumpiang Shanghai ang lean ground pork. So now, nag-chop ako ng garlic into very small pieces. And also, I chop also the onion. 2 onions yung ginamit ko na may katamtamang laki lamang. At saka 4 na carrots, which is maliliit lang na carrots kasi gusto ko po yung murang carrots. And here now mga kalubis, yung 1/2 kilo lean meat ground pork natin. Ayan na po siya. So, paghaluin lamang natin yan, which is 1/2 kilo lamang po yan, bebe ha, yung ginamit ko, yung ginawa ko. So, haluin na natin ang ating carrots. Yung carrots, mga bebe, make sure na maliliit na pieces yung pagka-chop niyan. And then also our garlic and the onion, which is I chop very small pieces. Okay, now, paghaluin lamang natin yan mamaya at lagay na natin ang ating pepper powder and also our paprika powder. And this time mga bebe, we will not use salt. Any rock salt, no. We will use the fish sauce, which is the patis and the seasoning. Mga kabebe, hindi tayo gagamit ng salt kasi baka hindi maayos ang pagkatunaw at magbuo dun sa side na yun, magbibigay po ng alat. So, I add also the 2 pinch of bitsin. And here, I prepare our lumpia wrapper para mag-wrap tayo mamaya. And titingnan natin how many pieces we can do our 1/2 kilo of lean ground pork. Shout out kay Miss Charlene Busalan and Miss Carmel Deloso Logroño, Arlene Pinkian, Charis Angos, and Lovely Pavillar. Now mga bebe, nakagawa tayo ng 50 pieces of lumpia Shanghai sa ating lean ground pork. So now mga kalobis, mga kabe, nagpainit ako ng oil para tikman natin ang ating nagawang lumpiang Shanghai. So we will fry 5 pieces or even 6 pieces of lumpia para matikman natin ang taste ng ating lumpiang Shanghai. Mga kalobis, mga kabe, you can try to make it at home. Pwede siyang pang breakfast or pang meals, any meals we can, or even pang negosyo. At saka mga baby, mga kalubis, be sure lamang po na yung fire na gamitin natin is nasa medium heat lang. Hindi masyadong malakas para hindi masunog ang ating lumpiang Shanghai. Now, baliktarin lamang natin siya mga bebe at antayin natin siyang magiging golden brown para makuha natin ang perfect cook ng ating lumpiang Shanghai. And now, as you can see, it is ready now. So, we turn off our gasol. Okay, hanguin na natin at i-rest nyo muna into 1 to 2 minutes para magbaba yung ating oil doon sa tissue. Okay, here now to be short. Now it's here. Okay, I have also here a hot chili sauce. So, tikman na natin mga kalawis, mga kabibe. How's the taste? It's perfect. Lalong-lalo na mga kabibe sa breakfast, it's really perfect. Even in the snack. Well, mga bebe, mga kalubis, thank you for watching, for always watching my video, for always subaybay. Well, mga bebe, maraming salamat. Until we see each other again in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Take care.